Lauren Boucher. Welcome to my cooking show. Hope you guys are having a great day. Love when it's sunny. So today I'm going to be attempting garlic confit. Garlic confit. So it's basically roasted garlic, but you have a lot more than just one clove. So I have 5 cloves of garlic and olive oil, and you need an oven-safe dish. So I'm just going to put it in the oven for 2 hours at 200 degrees. So ready? Set aside like 15 minutes for that. I'm gonna see if it fits in this. I think it does fit, but I think I'm just gonna put it in this dish instead. Yeah. And then it's like one layer. You have to make sure that the olive oil fully covers the garlic. It kind of takes a lot of oil. Luckily, I really don't like this olive oil, so I'm fine with using it up. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours and I will come back and try it. So this is what it looks like. It's been almost an hour and a half and I'm going to take the garlic out of the oven. It smells amazing. So this is just like tender as could be. I made a little dough from my pizza dough recipe. In retrospect, I would have put a little seasoning in the dough. It's really good when you put a little Italian seasoning, or even everything seasoning is delicious to mix in the dough. But first I'm gonna put a little butter to make it extra good. So here's my dough, fresh out of the oven. Just a little thing of butter to melt. Okay, I'm gonna use a smaller piece of garlic because that's a little big. Here's a nice small piece. So ready? I'm just gonna. So it just spreads right on there. You know what? A little bit of salt. That's what it needed. Oh my god. It's so good. Perfectly good garlic bread. And it's so easy. And then all you do is you transfer the garlic into a mason jar. I have 2 mason jars because I'm going to give some away. You can keep it up for up to 2 weeks. I mean, I think you can keep it longer. It's just in olive oil. 2 weeks for sure. After that, use your discretion. I think it would still be good. Wow. Well, go make garlic confit. Thanks for watching.